at the range today, take some shots with this Canik. And this is the new improved part of the range that we've added on to behind the creek. It's a work in progress. We've got some plates over there. Got an area for tactical shooting if you go down below. This is a great gun. TP9SF. Let's see if I can hit anything with it. That was 18 pretty quick. I just realized as I start shooting, I've got food all over my sunglasses because we did a food shoot. What do you think of the Canik? What do you think of my new range? Would you like to come here and shoot? Leave me a comment.